Drone operator prep looks at the photography side of racing drones, and we begin to introduce the students to FAA knowledge. FAA wording is very particular. It's FARs, it's government speak, it's regulations and requirements, and it's a very unfamiliar language to those who haven't seen it before. So we introduce students to all those relevant terms and we teach it to them while we're teaching them to be a safe drone operator. What that means is doing checklists, having the right equipment, making sure everything's safe, and then putting plans together for your different missions. So throughout the program, we give them missions from customers, and they have to go perform those missions. So it could be you're asked to do a commercial for a tree cutting company, you're asked to inspect a roof or a bridge, and they go simulate that. We start them out on drone simulators so they can practice and learn and get used to it and do their checklists in a simulated environment, and then they're brought into the real photography drones where they get to go get their footage, which is really the challenge. These photography drones fly themselves, so the challenge is how do you do it safely, properly, and get the footage you want. At Milestone C, we maximize student engagement, bring real-world career skills to students, and help teachers and schools keep pace with new age technology. Milestone C provides the curriculum, professional development, continuous coaching and support, and equipment and software as the full package for the classroom. Find out more and contact us at milestonec.com.